Hello there, this is fairbuynowaoptions.com, and this is the euro and the US dollar in a day in which all eyes are going to be on Miss Yellen, the chairwoman of the Federal Reserve in the United States, as she is due to testify, to give a speech to the now famous Jackson Hole Committee in the United States, as usual for late August in each and every year. Now, I don't know what the lady is going to say to rock the market so far or so hard, but taking into account all the bullish situations and all the bullish data that we had for the US dollar this week, it might be that she's going to try to downplay all that in favor of calming a bit the US dollar euphoria. There is the fundamental side. On the technical side, we have two bullish patterns for the pair. One of them being the fact that this channel here to the downside, or the move that held the euro US dollar from the 134 towards almost the 132, this channel here seems to be broken. And not only that it seems to be broken, but it was also, if you put this one something like this, broken, retested here, and now flying higher. That would be one thing. The other thing is related with the fact that the market now is forming a possible inverse head and shoulder now at this moment of time. It might be even broken, so this would be the neckline, as you can see. So this to be the left shoulder, the left shoulder here, this to be the right shoulder, and then of course the measured move. Well, the measured move will be something, or will look something like this. Take this one from here. Let's change the color in order to know that this is the measure move. And when you point that at the moment of breaking, then it points towards the next resistance area that the market had, and the next resistance would be around here, 133.20 level. Now, it is not that much of a distance if you are to trade the regular spot market, but the inverse head and shoulder, or the head and shoulder as a pattern, is a reversal one, and it means that the previous trend is over, or at least that the power of bears to push this market lower, the power is not there anymore. So what I would like to do here is, of course, to buy call options at the start of the London session. As you can see, it is only London started for 3 minutes now. And I would like to buy call options with some higher values, of course. One more thing that is worth mentioning states with the fact that this contracting triangle, that the price, the euro dollar broke to the downside, is actually a triangle that acted as a continuation pattern. But the move here, it is nothing but a move that is channeling too well. Corrections are almost the same, but still has an extended wave. That means that market is attracted to the highs here, and normally this terminal impulsive move, as is being called, should go or should visit the highs 33.90 area as well. I'm not saying this is going to happen today, but what I'm saying is that the path of least resistance, or at least for the euro US dollar from this moment on, seems to be the upside. And I don't know what the lady is going to say, but normally it cannot deny this inverse head and shoulder, even though it is only on the 1 hour chart. So let's write here on the screen the outcome or the conclusion of this analysis, a short analysis if you want. Buying call options with end of week, end of day actually, because this is Friday, expiration date for the euro and the US dollar, and like mentioned earlier, the path of least resistance out of this inverse head and shoulder. By the way, the inverse head and shoulder that is also on the euro and Great Britain pound. So the path of least resistance seems to be to the upside rather than downside. Thank you and have a great Friday. Bye bye.